Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2021 Chevrolet Blazer RS. It comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather, heated and ventilated seats, panoramic sunroof, drive mode selector, Apple Carplay and Android Auto, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, you're going to have this black and red interior paneling coupled with storage on the bottom. You have the power liftgate control next to your Bose speaker sound system. That'll come up to the power locks, mirrors and windows, chrome accent, and your seat memory. And onto the seats, you got these power adjustable, heated and ventilated leather seats, super comfortable. Left side you'll have your vents and your lighting control. And left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. The black bow tie. And the right side being your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. And you can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, as well as your gauges, as well as you can also access audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. It's going to be push to start and onto the infotainment equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also access your front, rear, and 360-degree camera, as well as navigation, Spotify, and as well as My Chevrolet and Amazon Alexa. Below you're going to have the dual zone climate controls with the 2 huge vents, as well as 2 USB ports in the middle. Just below with a wireless charging pad. You can have the shifter with your RS badging, with park assist, lane keep assist, and your drive mode selector, and center console with more storage. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable. You're gonna have the chrome accents all the way across. Access the glove box there. Speakers and vents up top. You get your regular and digital rear view, and then here you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, and your panoramic sunroof. You're gonna have these 21-inch blacked out wheels on Scorpion Zero all-season tires. You're gonna have paint match mirror caps and keyless entry door handles, black luggage side rail, deep tint rear glass in the back. You're gonna have the dual exhaust, black lettering. Into the back here, you get the 60/40 split, as well as LED lamps and storage, and extra wood wall storage down below. It's a pretty spacious rear. Moving on to the rear interior, again more paneling, storage next to the speaker. You got the heated rear seats with the power windows. Lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear ventilation, as well as USB ports and an AC wall charger. Some storage down below, cup holder and armrest, lamps and handles on the side, and above you again is that panoramic sunroof. Alright, well thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2021 Chevrolet Blazer RS, equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, as well as heated and ventilated leather seats, heated rear seating, panoramic sunroof, drive mode selector, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.